Today, bulls did a phenomenal job by giving a 200 plus points close over the previous close. But if we check intraday moves, then intraday moves were really more phenomenal because we saw about 300 points recovery in Nifty only from the day's low to the closing levels. Somehow, bulls failed to conquer new high towards the close or after the recovery point, but that is not a big concern because couple of points what they were not able to manage is far more better than a red or a negative close. Now if we check a daily chart, then our this structure of a rising trend or a rising channel is completely in focus, and accordingly if we check, then somehow more upside cannot be ruled out. If we apply Fibonacci retracement tool and try to find out the resistance in a reversal move, then next resistance comes at 17,775, which may act as a strong hurdle. Last close is near to 17,600 or near about levels, so still if we talk about upside resistance is about, or you can say is having about 200 points distance from the today's closing level. In fact, trend has already reversed, that can be said. The reason being 50% of our previous swing is covered, so somehow bears are on back foot. Now if we see RSI and RSI crossover, then RSI and RSI crossover has taken a place, so again that is also turning bullish. If we check 15 minutes chart, then RSI is not at that high level which should be worried about, so again bulls are having a upper hand. Finally, if we try to check 1 hour chart or 1 hour time frame chart, then again this is also not a big problem. So overall, bulls are having a upper hand as per the structure, and despite of today's volatility, still bulls are able to drive the momentum on the upside. Now if we see moving averages, that is 100 and 200. First of all, we'll try to use simple moving average, and this is what is the actually giving a problem to the bulls. We can see that somehow 200 SMA is acting as a resistance, and above that we are having another level which may act as a resistance going forward on a hourly chart. If we try to find out that level is near to 17,730 near about level, but that is again bit far, and we can say some more upside room is still there. If we try to see the same thing on a daily chart, then it is not to worry about, but somehow today's high may play a crucial role going forward. Now if we see it on a 15 minutes time frame, then on a smaller time frame, what a fantastic structure that we are able to see, and in this structure we can see that somehow moving averages acted as a support rather than resistance. So somehow 100 SMA acted as a support, and going forward whole thing that bulls need to do is to clear today's high, which is 17,622. Above that we can easily say that doors are open till 17,730 or near about levels. Above that we can see 17,750 and 17,770 levels as well. So somehow if bulls are able to save today's low, still more upside cannot be ruled out. Now if we talk about data, then option chain data is having a good structure at present, and somehow 18,000 is going to act as a resistance, which is really very far. 16,600 is having a highest OI on a put front. Time being, we are ignoring it as a whole. The reason being, it is still very far and today's low is really very crucial. So we shall better focus on positive side rather than looking out for the supports. OI is strong at 16,500 and 17,000. So rather than focusing on 16,500, one can focus on 17,000 strike put option as a whole. On a call side, if we talk about 18,000 and 18,200 are immediate resistance or wall of worry for bulls, but as such we have only 2 trading sessions left for the expiry. Even if bulls are able to conquer 17,800 or on a conservative basis 17,700, it will be a good job done by them. If we talk about max pain, then max pain is at 17,500. That means everything is in favor of bulls, and somehow chances are really very high that bulls may mark their presence felt again in the next trading session. And accordingly if we see that we can see more upside as well in the coming trading session. We hope this video is going to help you to take a trade accordingly and to manage the risk. See you soon with another video. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.